Today we are discussing our very, very popular fire document cabinet, also our fire document holder and our fire logbook. Believe it or not, you need these for legal requirements. Now I know everyone's wondering, oh, do I have to have things? But let's start with the logbook. What is it? Now ours is A4 size. It's a very simple record keeping place for keeping a record. I don't know if you can see this, but just filling in when things were inspected. It will cover everything from fire extinguishers, fire alarms, fire training, sprinklers, dry risers, everything that you could possibly need or not need in relation to fire. Now you're thinking, do I need one? Put it this way, when an inspecting body, could be the council, could be the fire service or anyone else, or insurers come round and ask if you have kept all of your firefighting equipment up to date, and you say, of course you have, and they say, where's the record? And you say to them, no, don't you worry, I've done it. Do you think they're going to say, fine, let's go with that? Or do you say, let me get you the logbook? And then you can instantly prove it and you can show. So when someone comes around to check your fire extinguishers, ask them to fill in a logbook afterwards, as well as their own inspecting things. Councils and so on are not worried so much about you, they're worried about you protecting your staff and your visitors. And if you have a shop or a takeaway, they're thinking about the people living in the flat, fast asleep upstairs, etc. So yes, there are legal requirements around these. Now the best place to have this is in a holder or in a cabinet. Now I'm going to get this out of the box, come back to that one in a minute. So the basic one is just a canvas Velcro one if you want a logbook. Simple. One hook, hangs on the wall, and as if I need to prove it, the dimensions will be on the website, but fits in, sits there, and that where would you put it? Near your fire alarm panel, near the main exit, somewhere where it's not going to be stolen, but somewhere where it's easy to get at. These are required when they're required in a hurry, okay? So make it obvious, do not hide it away. And by the way, these are only a few quid, so no excuse. But this is the most popular by far because this is a proper cabinet. Now, I'll get in the way, but it is solid. This is not thin tin. It's durable. When you get it, it's got keys inside. As you can see, you can hang keys, other keys in it. Simple lock. I think you can figure out how that works. And yes, it is big enough for not only this logbook here, but for a ring binder, a proper ring binder with everything. Now, what else would you have in it? Your fire risk assessment, your logbook, records of anything. Again, fix this by the fire alarm panel, by the main exit if you've got a block of flats, so commercial premises, public buildings, schools, etc. Make sure you don't leave the keys in it all the time so someone else can get it. Make sure that someone has the keys and knows what to do with it. But when someone needs the records, this is the fella, and this is where you would keep everything. Now, just to make it clear, when we say a fire safety information, this is not a fireproof box. This is for fire safety documents. A fireproof one would be like a safe, and they're heavy and a lot more expensive. It also is not to be mistaken for, there's a very major product called a girder PIP, which is a premises information box and these things cost umpteen £100 or £1,000 or whatever. It's a very solid product. That is very different. It has special locks that only the fire brigade can open, and so this is not that product. But this is one of the most popular things in the Vigil range, and to find out where to buy these and the prices, all good value, please follow the links at the end of this video.